The chicken wing is almost done. Okay, so this side and that side. Both for chicken wing. My wife already finished 2 or 3 of them. She says tastes good. OK， 佢話 taste good 啫，我都未試過，我睇下先啊，陣間。OK， you see when I see like this, I see this side is done. Dip it on this side too one more time. Dip it with the sauce, the spice. I want the spice in. Okay. Okay, getting there. 10 more minutes, everything is done. Okay, while I'm doing that, I have to get ready to wash this. Very easy. Turn it off. Look at this. Oh my goodness, it's good. Getting there. Chicken wing. Chicken wing. This one let it boil. I think it's ready. It's ready to serve. Okay, they put it in a. Get another. This time use a chopstick instead. Pan. Okay. Turn it off. Turn the heat off. Turn everything off first. First thing first is turn this aside. So let you guys, in order to let you guys see it, I have to do it like that. Okay. First one finished. Chicken wing. Well, why is still still boiling? I turned it off already. No heat, okay? You still have to be careful. The oil is burning. Okay, okay. Have to quick finish it and cover it. Be careful. Be careful. Just finish. Ooh. I should put some paper towel, soak the oil. It will be better. Next time, I should have put some paper towel, like Bounty, on this plate, middle plate, and then absorb all the oil. Now, just turn this around. This is also finished, okay? So everything is finished. Chicken wing. I make my own chicken wing today.